Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I would like to review the sample provided by Solawave. This is how it looks, and it's jelly refreshing mist, 3.4 ounces. It has only natural ingredients, vitamin E. It is vegan, cruelty-free. It doesn't have parabens or sulfates that are harm chemicals on your face. So this is how it looks. It looks like a jelly inside, but when you spray it on your skin, it's going to be a mist. And all you have to do, the way that you use it, is after cleansing your skin, you apply you put it 6 to 8 inches away from your face and you apply generously. It can be all around your face, even a little bit on your neck. It's going to feel refreshed. And you don't have to only use it in the morning after cleansing your face. You can use it at any time to refresh. It's very soft. It feels very cool on your skin. It refreshes. I like it. I hope you enjoy it too. Thank you for watching my video.